it's Rebecca Harris here, and I get really excited when I find products that tick a few boxes for me. If they tick all three, I'm super excited, but any one of these, it makes me happy. The boxes are, they need to decrease toxic exposure, green for the earth, and save me money. And I have something here that does all three of those things, so I wanted to share it with you. So my sister and I have been really interested in replacing Ziploc plastic bags in our home and what was a good alternative. And I found these things on, I think I found these on Amazon, and they are silicone, so they're not made of plastic. Because they're silicone, which comes from glass, sand, you can actually boil vegetables in them. You can steam them, they can go in the microwave, they can go in a pot of boiling water. You just have to remove the plastic slider bar. And this one just happens to be off because we had something in this one and it literally just came out of the dishwasher. So you take the slider off, spread it open, put it right into the dishwasher, and it is safe up to, I think, 450 degrees or something, because again, it's silicone, not plastic. When you put plastics into the dishwasher, they start to deteriorate and break down. They get little micro fissure cracks in them that you can't even see, and then bacteria and stuff gets in there and builds up, so it's not good to expose plastic to high temperatures. So let's see if I don't have one that's put together. Come on now. It came with, oh, there's a little card. 2 big ones, 2 medium, and 2 small. So it looks like that. And then also these cool lid things that I'm gonna show you in just a second. So these, I think, hold 50 ounces, which is almost like a gallon Ziploc bag for storing, you know, food. Put it in the freezer, the fridge. Again, you can steam vegetables right in there. So is this one the smallest? I think those are the smallest. Here's the other two. They must be in the fridge being used. So the medium size I don't have out because they have food in them in my refrigerator. We put, like, I have onions in one and I have red pepper in the other. So you just hold this end tab and slide off the slider bar to open it up. And that slider bar totally seals it shut. So what I didn't love about these is because they're silicone and not plastic, they are a hair bulky. So we don't use these in the lunch boxes because it's just like a little bit too big. But we have like fabric bags for sandwiches and, you know, other things to use in the lunch boxes. But I wanted things to use like in the house for food storage. So I wanted to order these and try them out, and I'm pretty happy with them. So I thought I'd share with you. Again, so this is the big one, 50 ounces. I wonder if it says on here. It's in milliliters. You can't. 1,500 milliliter, 1,000 milliliter, and 500 milliliter. I don't speak that language, so it's really easy to use. You saw me just slide it on and slide it back off. All right, so that's that. And they came with, see, these cool blue lids. These things are so nifty. They're stretchy. So this was another thing that I really wanted, so that we could stop using like plastic wrap on bowls and things. The big one is here, and it's pretty sizable. You're not limited to just this circumference either. You can really stretch it, and I'm gonna show you. I have a glass of water, like a pint glass of water, and this is the small one. And that's actually smaller than the top of this. So let's see if I can angle my camera down. There we go. Okay, so you can see I have to really stretch to get it on there. And it is tight like a drum. Check this out. You ready? I have water in here. No spills. This is airtight, liquid tight. This is, it's so awesome. Where's my bowl? Oh, there it is. It's literally right in front of me, this bowl. I'm gonna bring this back up for you. Okay, I have a bowl. Last night I had leftover salad in this. So I ate it last night. What's today? Today is Wednesday. So the salad I made on Monday, I didn't finish it. And I hurried and put, I don't remember which size. I used, probably this one. Okay, so I hurried and sealed up the bowl with one of these lids, and I put it in the fridge. I'm just trying to do it, and I haven't angled the camera down so you can see me doing it. And so if it's all like wonky and loose, you just pull on these little tabs all the way around. That's what I'm doing now outside of your view. Just pulling on the tabs. So it can be your vessel, go ahead and make this down. Your vessel rim can be smaller or larger than the ring, but you want it to be as close as possible. And then you just kind of pull to adjust the fit so that it's right. And you might be able to see, this is like concave now, like it got sucked in. You can burp out some of the air. That's what I did with my salad. So my salad looked like this. Like it was left over in the bowl. I burped out all the air, so it's like totally concave. And then yesterday I got it out of the fridge, and that salad was as fresh as Monday when I made it. I had diced apples in there. They didn't brown at all. I was so pleased. And it's so nifty because it's like totally airtight, tight like a drum. What I wanted to show you also, I'm gonna put 2 little oranges in there and seal it back up. Again, pulling it to make it nice and tight. I love these lids. The lids were probably the main reason that I didn't go with a different silicone bag, because I wanted this kit with everything. Okay. That lid is not coming loose. Hard to show you like for real because I have to hold on to it, but like just shaking the oranges around, nothing's happening. This is so awesome. So they fit a wide variety of vessels. Like I showed you, the water. So cool. Okay, moving on. So that's in one kit together. Then I decided to go ahead and try some things from Grove. I do a Grove order like once every 3 or 4 months. We don't use the cleaning products from there, so there's not a whole lot that I can order, but I do really love that they have bamboo paper products. Tissues, toilet paper, and paper towels. I will tell you, we don't order the paper towels anymore because they're not great. They're not like super absorbent. And sometimes we have puppy accidents in the house, so I really need like good paper towels. But if they can perfect those, I will buy them again. But I do religiously buy the tissues and the toilet paper because it's bamboo and it's so much more sustainable than regular paper. All right, so I wanted to add something to my Grove order this month. So I got these. These actually are plastic. So they say not to put them in the dishwasher. But I wanted baggies to replace snack baggies in my kids' lunches. Yes, I know that we have some containers, but they're mostly like stainless steel, and so they're kind of bulky, and I just felt like if I had something that was more like a plastic baggie, it would just fit better in the bags, in their lunch boxes. These are cool, so I'm just checking these out for the first time. Like they literally just arrived. They're Ziploc. They snap together, not Ziploc, but they snap together, so that's pretty cool. I can't guarantee that they hold moisture, so I wouldn't put liquid things in there, but like pretzels or whatever, snacks for the kids. That's pretty cool. So this isn't 100% sustainable because it is plastic, and eventually that's, you know, gonna end up in a landfill or the ocean or whatever. But they are reusable. I can wash them by hand and set them out to dry. You can put them over a glass to dry overnight, and they're good to go in the morning. So that was the snack bag size, reusable snack bags, food safe, BPA safe. Do not put them in the dishwasher. And then I got this size, which it says sandwich bags. That's a little big for a sandwich, but okay. But I just wanted stuff that was like, would be better for keeping things airtight, free from any moisture, because the sandwich bags that we have are fabric. So if something were to leak in the lunchbox, then that sandwich is done for. So that's pretty cool. I'm sitting here. It's like popping bubble wrap. I like doing the zip. It's fun. Then I got one more thing from Grove Stasher. I think that's the same brand. Now I don't know where the little piece of paper was for the other kit. Oh, here it is. Let's see. Nope, not the same brand. I don't know where I got that idea from, sorry. Okay, so this is Stasher, and it's another silicone food storage bag. And what I liked about this, and I wanted to try, is that it stands up. It has like, it opens up. So let's check it out. Let's turn this down again, aim this down. Oh, and I came loose. Moving along. Okay, slight edit, sorry about that. Okay, so as you can see, it totally stands up. So that's kind of handy for some things, right? Especially if you're doing soup, if you've made some soup and you want to store some in a storage bag to put in the freezer, it's nice to have it be able to stand up while you're putting the soup in it. It's not gonna spill all over the place. And then this can go right in the freezer. This one, I don't know if it's temperature safe like the other silicone ones, because the other ones I bought intentionally in order to be able to cook food in them. Fridge and freezer, stovetop. Oh, yep, it is safe on the stovetop. That's so cool, and it stands up, so whatever you've got in there isn't gonna spill out in your pot of water. That's nifty. Plastic-free reusable storage bag you can cook in. Pure platinum silicone, reusable, 100% plastic-free. So we're reducing toxic exposure because when you freeze food, especially liquids, in plastic, and then like if you put a hot soup in even freezer Ziploc bags and then put them in the freezer, that temperature variation from the hot to the freezing cold causes those plastics to leach out into the food. So that's a problem. We want to stop storing food in plastic. So that's how this reduces your toxic exposure. I feel like this is cutting off the top of my head. There we go. Saves money because they're totally reusable. I'm not buying plastic baggies anymore. What else? What was my other thing? Oh, green. I mean, obviously they're green. You don't throw them away. So this is Rebecca Harris, and I'm out. Have a great day.